Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to increase your download speed on Google Chrome. So I'm going to show you 3 methods you can use to increase your download speed. So for the first method, what we're going to do is optimize our windows. So we go to Task Manager, and after we open up Task Manager, we select tasks which are reserving bandwidth. For instance, Steam usually uses a lot of bandwidth, so we find that task and end that task. So this is the first method we use to increase our download speed for Google Chrome. For the next method, what we need to do is open up Google Chrome. And after opening up Google Chrome, what we'll do is go to the top right corner and click on the 3 dots. Then click on Settings. Then once we're on Settings, we will go to Privacy and Security option. Then once you're here, you'll see an option that says Delete Browsing Data. So we'll click on that. So in this window, we need to delete all cached images and files. So when we delete those, it will increase our download speed. So we will deselect all of the other things and increase the timeline for all time. Then we'll select cached images and files and finally click on delete all. So this is the second method we can use to increase our download speed. Then for the third method, what we need to do is open up a new tab, and on the address bar, we will type in Chrome, then / flags, and then hit enter. So this will open up a Chrome settings window. And on the top, you'll see a search bar. On the search bar, we will type in parallel downloading. And as you can see, the parallel downloading option has appeared and it's currently set to default. We will click on the drop down and click on enabled. So what this does is enable parallel downloading so that different parts of your file will download parallelly. So these are the 3 methods you can use to increase your Chrome download speed. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.